the forces of persuasion. I mean, if you have to persuade anybody with respect to a certain value proposition, you need to know these three things: ethos, pathos, logos.
Every answer has to be, structured in a way that it ends in 1.5 minutes.
Okay, history repeats itself, first as a tragedy, second as a farce. Okay, this is the quote. Okay, so first, let's assume I do not know who has given this quote.
In fact, electric EV and hybrid vehicles.
Quite a hot topic nowadays.
Yes, ma'am.
What's going around in this EV sector in India?
How is a picture in your computer different from an NFT?
It's simply because of the concept of ownership.
What is your take on the Tamil Nadu political situation?
People from national parties can enter, but the problem is that they don't understand the basic feelings of the southern region, southern peoples.